Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Nissan was a Pathfinder, Maxima, Altima. We have a check engine light on, and we have the diagnostic tool. Before we start changing part, we need to be sure what is the problem. That's my advice. Always, if you are a technician, try to have a tools. Even if you are your own car, you want to fix it, get something in your hand to do your little repair by yourself. There's a lot of information there that it will help you. So this is the car here. Let me break it down. It is 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. So the 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, check engine light on. What is the code? Let me go to diagnose. I don't want to diagnose the whole car, so I go to control unit to choose the computer I want. So it is engine. On the engine, I will sit down and follow the step by step to see what happened. Okay. And then we are going to look at the code, check it out, and see if it's repairable, what it is, how it look like, communication, and so ECU information as usual, that the engine computer part number, if you need to program it or if you need to flash it. Now I gotta go to read codes. Reading codes. Let me turn the key off, engine off. You see this car have too much wire. Cylinder number 6 misfire, number 2 misfire, multi-cylinder, and then 1800 VI solenoid valve circuit bank 1, and then also pass, you know, like everything here is passed, but only one is current. All this is passed, only one is current. Hopefully this will be better. P1800 O2 sensor 1 bank 2. You see O2 sensor 2 bank 1. I have a car the same thing before, but we're gonna look for those. I'm gonna take a picture. This is a code, so I gotta go back, go to the engine. I clear all this code. I know this code will come. So now we have two sensors. The VIS we have for bank 1 and for bank 2. How we know which one is for the one we need to change? He is taking out the intake manifold cover, I mean the engine cover. Okay, ignition is on. Read the code. Let me clear the codes. Erase the codes. Erase the codes. Yes. All the code erased. Read the codes. No code detected. But Lou, I'm gonna start the car, okay? Okay, I'm gonna read it now. You see this one here, it come. All the code never come. Only 1800 one time VIS solenoid valve circuit bank 1. I don't know which one bank 1, which one bank 2. I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen. There are two pieces, so we're gonna disconnect one because we have bank 1, bank 2. We're gonna disconnect one. If the code never go away, so that means that's bank 1. So I'm not sure which one is bank 1, which one is bank 2, but we will know from here. It's 8, right? I don't know how they put this screw 8 here, or this is 10. So they put 8 there, 10 there, 8 there. No, 1 8. So in order for you to take the cover, you have to take this screw here, that screw there, and one here, and you have to take this one to give it space. You need to be patient. Okay, we're gonna take this one here. Now come with me here. You see your hand here? This is 2 VIS. This is also one, but we have 2. This for the EVAP, right? EVAP patch. And this thing you can get it on 2000, the same year car. If you have the same engine, they have this one. Also, you have one here. This is not. No. So I'm not sure which one is bank 1, which one is bank 2. So what I'm gonna do is I will disconnect this, and then I will go there to see if it's still bank 1 or bank 2 come or is odd. If it's not, so we're gonna change this one. We're gonna disconnect that one also. So let me see what's coming on. The 1800 is maybe for the one on the right hand, bank 1. Let me go back and read it again. Okay, so this one you see, we have P1801 variable air system, and this one here is supposed to be for bank 2 because the first one is bank 1. So this one is good one, this one is bad. So I'm gonna put this one back, and then we're gonna disconnect the other one, or just put the good one in the other one, or switch them. If you switch them, okay, let me take it out. You don't need to take it out. So let's go now. This is not this one. So I'm gonna take this one back. I'm gonna put it back and I read the code. This is the one. That's the engine mount. So wow. And all the vacuum line are here. So it takes the vacuum line from here and it distributed to any switch or any valve. So this is the one. I'm gonna disconnect this one here. And where is the piece? Let's put the piece. I disconnect this one here, or whatever it is, it's supposed to be here. So I'm gonna disconnect this one, take those pin out, and connect it to the other one. I'm sure the code will never come back. This one coming here. You see? This one here. And this one here. Directly here. Yeah. So 10, right? Let me just connect it to see if the cord go away. If not, maybe wiring too. Connect it for me just like that. I want to see if the cord will go away. Okay. Hold on, please. Okay. I got escape. Erase. Yes. Yes. Hold on, please. I erase all the codes. Read the codes. No more. Let me start it. Go back. Read the codes. No codes. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna read it one more. Nothing there, so I'm gonna just put everything and then we drive this car to see if any code will be back. So we know that 1800 is for this, P1800 for this solenoid, P1801 is for this solenoid. VIAS, intake variable timing solenoid. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. What I'm going to do is I will just take this piece here. When you take them out, be sure that take one at a time.